Alright, Sal, this video is for you. I have another quad for you. Finished up. Here it is. This is the toothpick. I almost called it a toothpick. Toothpick. And it's pretty much the same as the orange one that I did for you. I think, yeah, it's actually identical to the orange one that I did for you. Same frame, same motors, same props, same VTX, same receiver, same camera, same flight controller. Yep, everything's the same. So you got the Hyperlight 1103 8022 kV motors. You have the iFlight 12 amp all-in-one flight controller. You have the Runcam Nano 2. This one has the 1.8 millimeter lens. I'm not sure if yours had the 2.1 or 1.8, so that might be a difference. I don't remember, but then you have the XM Plus, which is on this side, and you have the Unify Pro 32 Nano, which is on this side. So in person, you'll be able to see the button for the VTX right here. I'm touching it right now. It's very easy to access. And the bind button for the receiver is right here. It's very easy to access. I'm clicking it right now. Okay. So, and then the USB right here. There might be a wire or two in the way. You can just push them to the side. I was able to plug in no problem. So, then you got your buzzer. I did unlock the VTX, and it is set to 400 milliwatts. That's about it, pretty much. These are the Pyro Drone 65mm props, and I threw in one of these battery holders just because this is the perfect size battery that you want to use, and it holds it perfectly, so I figured why not throw it on here. I don't remember if I put one on yours or not. I think I did, a black one, but I don't remember. Just in case if I didn't, I'll just send an extra one. They're real easy to put on. You can either take the screw out of the side and then put it through with like a washer, because the holes on this are kind of big. But you don't even have to do that either. You can just stick it on there and throw a zip tie around. So it's very easy to put on. These things, man, they fly so good. Oh shit, I hope it's still bound up. I think I bound it to this one.
Welcome to Open TX.
Alright, let's see here. Oh, you know what? The RSI is flashing. Let me see if it's bound up. Let me try to arm it. Okay, yeah, I guess I didn't set the RSSI in the receiver tab. So, let me go do that real quick. Okay, let's make sure that it's on now. Alright, there we go. Now it's moving around. Cool. So OSD is good to go. Video looks good. Okay. Let's do a hover. Here we go.
You couldn't hear me?
No, I couldn't hear you. Oh yeah. Damn, I love those motors, man. Alright, it's flying perfect, so sweet. Alright, well that should do it. I will get this thing boxed up and it will ship out today, which is Monday. And I'll send over tracking when I have it. Alright, thanks, Sal.